Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Edureka, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Edureka account. Once logged in, navigate to your course dashboard. Choose the course you want to optimize. Click on the course title to open the course details. Review the current course content and identify areas for improvement. Evaluate the course structure to ensure it flows logically. Consider adding new modules to cover emerging topics. Incorporate multimedia elements, such as videos and infographics, to enhance engagement. Use quizzes and assignments to reinforce learning and assess understanding. Gather feedback from learners through surveys or discussion forums. Analyze the feedback to identify common challenges faced by students. Adjust course materials based on the feedback received. Utilize Edureka's analytics tools to track student performance. Monitor completion rates and course engagement metrics. Identify trends in student behavior to further refine the course. Regularly update the course content to keep it current and relevant. Create a community space for learners to interact and share experiences. Encourage peer-to-peer learning through group projects or discussions. Finally, continuously assess the effectiveness of your optimizations. Repeat this process to ensure your courses remain top-notch and valuable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.